Hey guys, Team Host here, and I just want to say thanks for watching and hope you enjoy the video. And this is my discord.js tutorial of how to make a Discord bot. Hope you enjoy. If you want to join my Discord, links in the description or links to my website. We have a Twitch follow bot server with updates about my website, updates about the bot, and my main Discord server, which has just been announced. New series coming soon. Keep notifications on. Make sure you press the like button. Make sure you subscribe, and make sure you keep up with the series. And let's get into the video. Yo guys, Team Buzz here back in the video, and today I'm gonna be showing in this series of the video we're gonna be doing how to make embeds for your Discord bot. Alright, let's get it. So basically, what I've done in here in the CMD, I basically just put code space dot and closed it and saved it, because now when I open the CMD it's gonna automatically type out code space dot and it's gonna open my code just like that. Okay, so to make an embed we're gonna have to do, if you've done the same as me, so you've got 39 lines altogether. If you haven't, pause the video now and copy what I have down, and obviously I'm going to replace this token with my token which I just copied. So that's my new token. And so yeah, just copy all this down if you haven't got it copied, and then when you've copied all that down, we're going to be deleting line 36. Let's check. Line 35 to line 16, so deleting this. And then just doing case embed Discord message embed down. Yep. Actually wait, no it's not. Okay, so now if we do this embed and then do space equals, oh no, we'll have to come out of here, and then I'm pretty sure it's space equals and then new, not capitals, new Discord dot message capital M message embed with the capital M and capital E, and then end that off with some brackets. And then on the line below we're going to do dot add field, and we're going to be doing player name, and then we're going to come out of here, do a comma, and then do message dot author dot username and then put whatever one of these are at the end. Okay, so I found the error. It was meant to be 2 dots instead of whatever I put down here. Okay, so when you do that, just do message dot channel dot send embed, and then in here we're going to put the embed because we are referring to this, which is just looping around to this, and then do break underneath and format document, save it, terminal, node space dot. Then we're going out from Discord. I go to my test server, bot should be online, which it is. Don't know why I put that there. So our prefix is, if I just do exclamation mark embed on Discord, probably got an error. Send embed is not a function. Okay, so I found the error. I'll just have to redo this instead. So just removing the embed in between it, saving it, clearing the terminal, node space dot. Now hopefully this will work, and it does. It does our player name and it does our name, which is what we are getting so far. So an embed basically is just a nice neat box with everything in, which is why if you do .help it's gonna come up with this, which I have all mine in. So if I do help fun, and obviously title, a field, or title, a field, a title field, a title field, and so on and so forth. Alright, let's move on extending it. So we can Control C to get out of the bot, to log out of it. We can kill the terminal. Okay, so now we are going to be going above the .add field and entering again and pressing tab to get just above where I want it to be. Okay, so now we are going to be doing a .set title by doing .set and a capital T for title, .set title and brackets and this, and we're going to be putting user information. Don't know if that's spelled right, but if it is, it is. And then at the end of that, going down a one, and we're going to be doing add field, which is the same one from before, and that's already there, so we can actually just delete that one. And in here we have player name, message author, that username. Come outside of here, do that, and type true with none of that in the end now, because we're going to be making more. It's not the last one, it's only the last one that has it. So now we can do another .add field, and then we will be typing .add field version. Yeah, version, because we're going to be getting the version. This is the add field for the version. And then coming out of here, doing a comma, and then doing version, because we're receiving the version, and a comma, and we're going to be equal and true to this. Okay, so it should look like this. And we're going to enter again, because we're going to do .add field again, so we should have 3 .add fields. .add field, we're going to be doing current server, current, I don't know if that's how you spell current, but okay. It's current server, and we're going to come out of that and doing message.kill.name, message.kill.name, and then we're going to be doing a comma and then true at the end, because we want it to equal true. And then we're going to be doing .setColor, and I already have one saved on the monitor, which is 0x capital F1C 4 0F, I'm pretty sure. And I need a hashtag in front of it. Oh no, we don't. It's an address, isn't it? Okay, so then we're going to do .set thumbnail, which is going to be the avatar of the user. So we're going to be doing, no, that's not in that. Do not put the comma things. We're going to message author username, message.author dot not username, avatar URL, the second option. And then going down, we're going to be doing .set footer, and the footer can be whatever you want, so I'm just going to put subscribe to me on YouTube. Yeah, subscribe to me on YouTube. And then we are going to be doing .set timestamp. It's a .set timestamp. I actually forgot what it was. .set. It's not timeout. Timestamp. Okay, so it is .set timestamp. Doing that, and then that should be it. So now, if we save terminal, new terminal, node space dot. Now if we go to Discord, and now if we do the command !embed, we are gonna get an embed of this, which is what we want. Which is good, the player name, the version of the bot, the current server, which refers to this server, because the server is test name. So if I change this to just test guild, saving this, and then doing the embed again, it's going to change to test guild, because the guild as a server. And then it's obviously got the photo, and then it's got the timestamp. So that is gonna be it for this video. The next video will be, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be let's have a look on my notepad. It's gonna be a server greeting. So it's basically gonna be doing what I said in the last episode. It's gonna be greeting the members that join your server. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe and comment, and peace.